What's up, crypto legends? How's everyone doing? Wow, what is going on with Bitcoin? What a huge, massive, destructive move to the upside, guys. We're going to analyze the situation here for Bitcoin. Make sure to destroy that like button on your way in, guys, and we are going to go right away through the price of Bitcoin. How is everyone doing, guys? Hope you're having a fantastic day today. Let's go through the price of Bitcoin, guys. Wow, what an insane pump we've had today, right? It's just absolutely ripping, going through all major resistance levels. Now, yes, you might think to yourself, hey, you were extremely bearish yesterday. You said danger about Bitcoin. Don't worry, we'll be going through that, okay? But what we're also going to be going through is that major drop, okay, in the Legends community chat, okay? Very much expecting the $29,200 range, okay, to explode and potentially go all the way up to the $30,600, which we are just not even $200 away from current price levels, guys. So this is the thing. We do not need to take a look and, you know, judge somebody from the title of a video, okay? Danger for Bitcoin, right? We talked about the DXY, potential double bottom, you know, for higher time frames, for midterm, long-term, potential danger scenario. But we are traders. We very much was expecting a bounce on yesterday's stream from the highs of March, from a naked point of control that we did have from this consolidation that we had here back on the 10th of April. Very much expecting that possible bounce. And of course, this was mentioned on the analysis channel. Very much expecting that range to get a pretty decent bounce. And here I was explaining, you know, how was, on my trades channel, saying, hey, looking for a nice swing long position here. We could aim for 30,600, which I'll explain why in this live stream. That might take a few days, right? So it took less than 2 days, basically, because we were just yesterday trading at this range. A lot of people, thinking, this is not likely to happen. Now, one of the main reasons why I was explaining to my community that, hey, this lower high over here plus this one, this is unfinished business. I was very much expecting this high to be hit when we were bouncing from this level, right? I did enter a long position, did manage to take some small profits, was expecting higher to take rest of the profits. This did not happen. Of course, this is a range which is very, very disturbing when the price drops. And as we were dropping here, I was making understand the community that the overall context is bullish. Yes, we can try and short scalp with good risk management. We got into the short scalp scenario here with a small consolidation with very good risk management because, hey, we are overall bullish on the higher time frames. I'm looking for these highs to be hit from this level. Yes, we can try and short, small short position, tight stop loss with a small target, because if we do correct, I do expect it to create a higher low here. Now, overall context, guys, we're still trending up, remember? Yes, yesterday it looked pretty aggressive. I understand that. But this is why you need to zoom out on the 1 hourly, on the 4 hourly, and understand that the overall trend is still extremely bullish. We like it or not, this is bullish, right? So yeah, we can see this ascending kind of channel, right? Where we are creating these aggressive higher lows. And I'm saying, hey, this high over here, this is the high of March. As you can see, 30th of March, the high was 29,200. I'm expecting that level to bounce, okay? I was even saying, stop loss beneath here, the $29,000 range, okay? If we do go lower here, then of course we could expect another major drop to the value area high from this trading range, which would be around about 28,500. So it's not intelligent to have exposed, a big stop loss, right? We want tight stop losses, just like the one that we talked about from this short position. Overall context is bullish. breaking the resistance level. Why are we breaking resistance, guys? Well, yeah, trend is up. You know the deal. The trend is moving up. So, you know, till we do not see a break of the structure, and this, of course, right now, if we were to create another high, the break of the structure would be the last higher low, which was this one right over here, right? So if it does create another high, bang, breaks down below this level, then we could look for a deeper correction. So far, we're trending up. Altcoins are absolutely exploding. The S&P 500 is still moving higher, very much expected for the, you know, last few weeks, right? I've been bullish on the stock market for the last few weeks, and still bullish for the next 1 to 2 weeks at least, potentially going to the 4,300 points, at least to that level, at least to test this high from August of 2022. Still thinking it's bullish, despite, you know, a bit of fear, a bit of correction, despite of yesterday's video. I did see some comments, guys. If you do read some comments here, oh my goodness, because, you know, the day before, you know, this is how YouTube works. My YouTube channel, I'm testing a few things right now with YouTube, right? With these titles and thumbnails, right? Crazy titles and thumbnails. It works, guys. It really does work. I understand why a lot of people do it. If that is a way to grow a YouTube channel, then we'll have to go with that. So anyway, but getting a little bit of hate for it, which is absolutely natural. But don't take the video, you know, don't judge by somebody's title or somebody's thumbnail. Watch the video, join the community, okay, right over here when we are actually, you know, longing the $29,200 range, potentially expecting $30,600. So yeah, just by a little YouTube video, we do not want to judge somebody, because we were actually ready for the long position at this range, testing the March highs right over here, the naked point of control from this small little consolidation, right? If we do go to the 15-minute time frame, we're going to take a look at some altcoins now, guys. Don't worry about that. You know, we had a nice consolidation right over here, and this creates a really nice volume spike, right? When we do take a look at the fixed volume profile. So we have that spike here at the 29,150, right? Where does the price bounce? Bang, you know, absolutely phenomenal. So yeah, by the time I got the video out at this range, was extreme, you know, we're not extremely bearish, but saying danger for Bitcoin, double bottom on DXY, blah, blah, blah. Hey, but I'm longing, but I'm looking for longs. So yeah, this is how we need to judge somebody, right? Anyway, going through the comment section, let's say hello to the community right away. Obviously, there was a small little consolidation here. It was a short attempt, but, you know, hey, you longing from this level when you're looking for higher targets at this range, you know, you can see the big, massive move. If you're shorting from this level and you've got a stop loss here, you know, yeah, you know the deal, right? It's a small little loss compared if you're longing here, you know, this massive amount of the move, right? So, yeah, let's go through the comment section right away. You say, Aurel, 64% on long. Absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, guys, you know, we do see some money shots here also on the Discord saying, hey, longing from the $29,200 range, currently at $30,350, 148% profits. Thanks, Andy. Hey, you know, this is, every trader takes a different decision. You know, some people did catch it, some people didn't. It is what it is. There's opportunities every single day, or every 2 days, or every day, every hour, right? A lot of people are very, very, you know, very, very nervous of, you know, what is the next trade scenario? Where are we trading? You know, saying, let's wait for some movements. Let's wait for some bigger levels, and then we can take the highest probability trade scenario. So yeah, anyway, that was an absolutely killing trade on the Discord, guys. Feel free. I do post daily updates on Bitcoin. We're having a look at some altcoins. We have a great community sharing their analysis as well. Make sure to join it, guys. There is where I post every single day Bitcoin analysis and levels for some potential trade scenarios. 90% of my trading is on Bitcoin. I am on some altcoin trade right now as we have the altcoin season. But if you want to join, today's the last day for 35% discount, okay, forever, with final 35 offer, okay, as the code, right? If you want to join the Legends trading community, make sure to join it, guys, because there, I am answering every question, looking at trade scenarios like the one here provided to you yesterday at that $29,200 range, guys. Very, very, very cool long position. So with risk management, always risk management. I'm so concentrated in, being transparent with risk management, guys. It's fine to get stopped out 1, 2, 3 times, a week, 4. It doesn't matter. We, stop losses with, small stop losses that are losing 1% of your capital or 2% is absolutely fine. You're still in the game. When you get into those gains, you'll be making 5%, 6% of your capital on those really nice trade scenarios. So anyway, what altcoins can we take a look at, guys? What altcoins? I am in a few altcoins. I'm in no long on Bitcoin, even though I provided the long position, but in some, nice long positions. Theta Network, VeChain is doing pretty good for the moment as well. I'm in a few altcoin positions. As you know, been bullish on altcoins for the last few days with the data that we're having, right? We're having too much information that is suggesting, that is saying that we are going to have, that we are going to have that altcoin season, right? This is what we got. Total crypto market cap, including Ethereum, but not Bitcoin. This is a very much bullish chart for the next coming weeks. I gotta say, the moment this does come back down below this resistance, then I'll be saying, hey, maybe the altcoin season is cancelled. We're going to see a decent dip on altcoins if it does get below this resistance of $620 billion market cap. For the moment, it's bullish. For the moment, we're looking for higher. There's 2 altcoins that I've seen, and there's more right now also. Which one? Oh yeah, was it Gala? Was it Gala? There is one that is absolutely ripping it right now. I think it's Gala. Gala's doing pretty good. It's pumping pretty nicely. But there is one, RDX. There is one that's absolutely XDR. What is it? What is yeah, hang on a second. Is it Radix? What's it called? Anyway, let me know. There's one. There's Icon that's did explode. Let's go through the comment section, guys. We're going to take a look at some scenarios. Overall, I strongly believe that these highs still need to be claimed, right? It's unfinished business here. If we start correcting from this level, well, yeah, I'll be very, very surprised. But obviously, whoever has been long in here, this $29,200 range, hey, we're just about $100, $200 away from take profit. Why not take profit? We're actually hitting the value area high and an old daily level at this range. If we do take a look at the fixed volume profile from this range, we're basically hitting the value area high from this entire trading range, right? So it's at resistance as we speak. This 30,450, 500 range, it is resistance. I would expect a wick here, right? Liquidity grab above these highs. This is unfinished business. There are some highs here that need to be hit above 30,600. Overall, it is resistance. We are at a resistance here at this $30,450 range. So yeah, I mean, if you're longing from this range, absolutely take profits, 50%, 60, 70%, you name it, just take profits. You can always leave a 20% trade open just in case you do have that leg up, here pretty intense, and then, just be happy with the gains that you have. We have some targets, we have some ideas, and yeah, basically, so far, so good. That naked point of control mentioned from this consolidation and that high managed to hold so nicely. We had a shorting scalp attempt here. It was a shorting scalp attempt, but good risk management, accept the loss. If you don't have a stop loss here at the 30,100, 30,050, right? We were talking about 29,950, $100 stop loss range. If you don't have stop losses trying to short the value area low, the volume that we do have here, right? Big volume, you know, we had volume strategy, but I was well aware. I did not announce this on my trades channel. The reason why, because I'm sticking bullish. You know, this has just been a deep correction from this pump. So when you take a look at the context, you're like, bang, correct and move. You know, the next move is up. The next move is up. So I got, you know, a lot of pressure, you know, from the community. This is resistance. This is resistance. And like, okay, yeah, this is confluence. You know, it doesn't look bad. I might take the short myself. But overall, it was not a good short position, of course. You know, it wasn't a good scalp. You know, swing long position from this range was the winning trade, absolutely ripping it. So, Gala is absolutely moonshotting, says Steam Bun. Altcoin again failing. Altcoins again falling. Failing? Altcoins again failing. I don't see them. Near protocol is nice. Theta, yeah, Theta is, you know, altcoins are not failing. Yeah, a smaller corrective moves. Hey, Theta just today has pumped 10%. Come on, you know, yeah, we could have a cool off of 5%. Absolutely, why not? Absolutely, yeah, definitely want you know, some corrective moves. But it's not failing. It's not. Let's take a look at the total 3. This is total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, this does also look pretty bullish, in my opinion. Hey, if you don't see this a bullish chart for a massive pump potentially in the coming weeks, I don't know. I don't know. Yes, you could arguably discuss it's still trending down. It's still creating lower highs and lower lows, right? So you might think, hey, this is still, you know, it's bearish. But the reason why this is bullish on the total 3 market cap, inverted head and shoulder scenario right over here. You can see the sharp movement we've had for the last few weeks, guys. Look at this sharp higher lows. This is just a recipe for a spike up here. You know, this is a full recipe for a move up. Whether it happens or not, nobody knows. We do not know what's around the corner tomorrow. This is why we are, you know, as traders, we analyze the charts and we have good risk management, nothing else. So, yeah. Hey, Andy and family from London, UK. Daniel, how are you? Can you talk about Velo Protocol? UK, Oreo, how are you doing? Lambo Time. Yes, Lambo Time. Hello. Hi. Hi, why you go live so nowadays? So, what nowadays? Why, Andy, why go live? Yeah, live? Not a good day. I shorted. God. Yeah. I also got into a small short. I'm overall long on some altcoins. And I got to say, guys, it's, you know, the analysis is there. I went to sleep yesterday. I put my stop loss at break even. I got stopped out at break even. And then the price does this. And then I got my community, you know, absolutely ripping, absolutely making gains. And I'm not making gains from this Bitcoin long. So, but it is what it is, you know, it doesn't matter for me because, you know, yeah, I know there's opportunities every single day. And, you know, I don't feel bad for missing a trade. Absolutely not. You know, I'm in some pretty nice altcoin long positions. I will consider maybe, you know, lock in some profits from, you know, from the altcoins just in case we have a massive turnover. You know, is this Bitcoin position, you know, is this Bitcoin pump going to be sustainable? Is it going to be sustainable and go to higher levels? That is the question. We're probably just going to grab this liquidity but above these highs over here. You know, I'm very much paying attention for the next coming hours or maybe a couple of days. We might have a little correction. How are we going to hit this level? Because you might think to yourself, if we do hit this 30,600, you know, we are likely going to get 30,100, right? Where this is, I'll be paying very close attention, right? Very, very, very close attention on this because we are at the value area high from this entire week. What value area high? Well, the fixed range volume profile, right? This entire range that we've been trading for from the 10th of April till the 18th, we got a big level, value area high. It's proving to be resistance at this moment speaking. So how am I going to approach the next potential short position, right? I want to see a wick above these highs and acceptance back below the value area low. That is the safest way that I can trade this for a short. It's the safest way. If we are going to jump into a short earlier, that before anything of this happens, we are exposed of getting stopped out. Basically, I was going to say wrecked, but no, we do not get wrecked, of course, because we get stopped out. We have good risk management. I like to say wrecked just in case, all of those people that are like adding to their shorts and stuff like that. Yeah, these people get wrecked, but we do not get wrecked. We get stopped out with a nice invalidation point, very close to our entry point. It's fine. So yeah, best scenario, and this is what happened here. Bang, bang, we were basically above the level. And I had someone in the community saying, hey, wouldn't it have been better to actually see the rejection, get acceptance below the value area low, and then enter a short? And I'm saying, oh my goodness, there's actually people already, even correcting me from my analysis, things that I do know, things that I am patient. But it's sometimes it is crazy. It is crazy because a lot of people are, asking, hey, this is the level, right? I'm getting nervous here. This is the level. It's the value area low. We got volume strategy, right? We got a high spike in volume. You name it. We got a lot of things here as confluence, and I'm like, yes, yes, it is getting a reaction. Just get into the short and have good risk management, right? If you're just gagging to get into the short position, just have good risk management, accept a little loss, who knows? But obviously how you want to play this is get acceptance back beneath it, right? Get the rejection and then get back up the pump. This is why a lot of the times when we talk about a failed breakout, or when we talk about, big resistance levels, have the spike above it, wait for acceptance beneath it again, and that is the moment you want to get out. So this is why a lot of the times we talk about the 618 fib level, because if we would have got rejected from this level over here and then have the movement down and then back up, we got the 618, right? So we can have good risk management. Enter at 618. The highs is your stop loss, basically, right? Wait for that rejection, wait for the consolidation, wait for it. In this case, it consolidated, but it didn't get the rejection. Best thing for a trade. This was a bit in a rush, but overall, if you are not patient to wait for that scenario, wait for the acceptance beneath the level, and you want to enter a short because you want to get in at the highest level possible, best thing you could do is have a little bit of a smallish tight stop loss, right? You're just hitting these highs. We could reject from the level. It's a possibility. If you want to be that trader that gets in at the highest level possible, make sure to have good risk management. That is it. Have good risk management. Because if you don't, this is what's going to happen to you, right? You're going to get absolutely exterminated from the market. I cannot stress this enough. The market is here to take the money off you. It's not to make gains and make everybody rich. The market is designed, trading is designed to take the money off you, not to give you money. This is why we need to be very careful. We need to have very good risk management, and we need to get in at the highest probability trade scenarios with exhaustion, with risk management. Could not stress this enough with the community as well. It's simple. It is really simple, but it's hard to apply because we humans are very much emotional when we talk about money. But trading is very, very boring. Bro, do a TA on Solana. We can take a look at Solana right away. Why not? Shall we take a look at Sol? Yes, indeed. Let's take a look at Solana. What's going on with Solana? Yeah, this does look good. I'm afraid so. It looks good. Of course, you know, this is the highs. You know, would I long here? No, we are at resistance. We could reject from this level, even though that it's highly probable we could break it. Solana analysis, yeah. Point of control, I think this is from back in 2021. I've got this horizontal line here, but I haven't got more data. But it says point of control. I think I got this from another chart. It must be point of control from 2021 trading range. However, descending channel, lower highs, bang, 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 breaking out here. And like I said, there is a possibility of, you know, much higher levels here if we do see this as 5 waves to the upside. It's all about having good risk management and trying to get into a position here. Solana, best trade attempt here. I would wait for a confirmation breakout here from the highs created back in January and February. How? Bang, confirmation volume breakout. Any kind of correction we do have after the solid breakout with volume will be a good long attempt. You know, these highs are going to be retested several times on the uptrend. So you just need that confirmation and get in the retracement, whether it is 382, 50%, 618, or even hitting the highs here over this first wave. It's absolutely phenomenal how we can see. I just absolutely love this, you know, icon chart, guys. You know, it's the best example I could give you. You know, it's the best example I could give you. Icon. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Like I explained to you, this one has created that third wave. What third wave? Well, from the lows right over here, you can see the lows in January of 2023, sorry. The highs, corrective move, bang. This has created a massive impulsive wave going from 20 cents all the way up to almost 50 cents. This has pumped over 120% ICX the last few days. A lot of altcoins haven't had that pump. So we're trying to, you know, detect all of these altcoins, right? We're trying to detect them. We want to be extremely cautious, guys. We never know what is around the corner. But ICX, Radix is also one of them. Is it Radix? What is this? Radex or Radix? Yeah, XRD. XRD also another one. Great example. XRD. We're going to take a look at some other altcoins right now. This one is absolutely ripping. This one is absolutely ripping. This is the one that I wanted to talk about. Look at this altcoin. Oh my goodness. XRD. What is this one doing? Now, this is the third wave that we are talking about. Oh my goodness. I didn't actually realize that it actually pumped this much. Oh my goodness. This is the kind of pump that we are looking for a lot of the altcoins. This is why it's good to diversify. You know, I'm in VeChain. I'm on Theta. Theta has a very, very good chance to go to $1.30, $1.40 in the next coming days, guys. It's an insane project. It's, you know, one of them that has very high potential to create that big, massive pump. XRD, same scenario, bang. Lows in January, highs here, lows, boom. Third wave, absolutely ripping it. When we take a look at Theta, yeah, this is on the verge. You know, we're already breaking this kind of ascending triangle scenario. It might take some days to hit the highs here, but overall, this is looking for a rip movement. And then everybody's like, hey, look at this coin, you know, did you long it? Well, yeah, this is what we are trying to detect. Try and long here, still inside of the corrective move, second wave, before that third wave happens. Because when you take a look at RDX, oh my goodness, this is, you know, who longed this crypto? XRD, sorry. Who longed this crypto? XRD US dollar Bitfinex. Oh, come on, where are you? Who longed this crypto? Hey, this is not the cryptocurrency. What is it? XRD. XDC, I put XRD. Oh my goodness. I want to believe, just with the analysis, guys, that a lot of the altcoins are in this stage over here. You would have wished you would have been in this long position. This was only jumped, 6 days ago. It was trading at 5 cents. Just 6 days ago, it was at 5 cents. It's had a 100% pump. Bang. 130% pump in a matter of 6 days. This has even gone over the extension of the third wave. Yeah, this has doubled this first wave, right? It's more than doubled the first wave. Absolutely insane. Why is he not talking about Uniswap? I bet it will explode soon. Uniswap is also one that is looking very interesting. Yes, sir. Very, very good. Let's take a look at Uniswap. Uniswap actually created a really nice Gartley pattern right over here. Also one that is likely to explode. Very, very bullish one. Yeah, these are the type of altcoins, guys. After this is selling pressure exhaustion. Selling pressure exhaustion. You know what happens with this? Bang. What usually happens with these altcoins at some point after the selling exhaustion, this has been over almost 1 year now, trading in between $4 and $9. It's currently at $6. It's at the center of one entire year. There's no selling pressure left on this. I'm sorry, I gotta say, there's just no selling pressure left. All the selling pressure happened when we had the hype, right? There's no selling pressure left. So there's a higher probability in getting a movement up than actually a movement down. What is this going to go to $2, $1? Or is it actually going to have a pump to $8, $10, $12? Yeah, well, you can see it, right? Charts go down, sideways go up, sideways go down. So you know the thing, right? Right, guys, before we continue with some altcoins, FTM bullish. Yeah, FTM also, I think FTM is one of them that is just about to rip it. Of course, we got the first wave. I mean, and I think FTM is going to be one of them that actually does explode, potentially to the $1 range. Before we talk about their potential projected move also on Phantom, I want to give a shout out to Kasta, guys, because Kasta are doing an insane job. They want to be the leaders, right, in crypto payments. What does this mean? Well, actually, moving $1 from one wallet to another wallet, free and for instant, okay? Easy crypto payments. They are getting their debit card out very, very soon, okay? It is coming soon. There's a lot of work and, behind all of this, of course. They cannot get a debit card just out in a couple of weeks. And so many big things coming also for them. Make sure to download the application, guys, and test it. It is totally free to use, of course. No affiliation. Of course, if you do deposit $20, with the link down below in the description, you get 200 Kasta tokens. But you can download the application for free, and you can test it. You can send $10 worth of Ethereum, worth of US dollar tether. Get your friend to download the application. Send him that Ethereum. On the Ethereum to Ethereum or US dollar tether to US dollar tether, the same crypto pair, and you're selling, and you're sending $1 for free and instant, guys. It's absolutely phenomenal. Make sure to check it out. It's totally free, and they are making big things. Big things they are making. Debit card is coming soon. Big partnerships. Yeah, they want to be the leaders, right? They want to make this possible so you can go and pay with a cup of coffee with crypto. Bang, sending, $1, $2, $3, instant for free. Check it out, guys. They are absolutely making a great job. You have the link down below in the description as well if you want to test that for free. No affiliation. Feel free to deposit the $20. You get 200 Kasta tokens if you do. Once you deposit $20, you get 200 Kasta tokens locked up, okay? Feel free to do so. If not, just, deposit a few dollars. Test it out, guys. It's pretty insane. Yeah, let's go through the comment section here and go through GMT. Yeah. I'm talking about the application, okay? This is talking about the application, not talking about the token, all right? This is a working product. There's, it's a big business, and there's big partnerships coming, and there's debit card coming out. So it's a working product, okay? It's a working product. Yeah, the chart is straight down. Yeah, of course it is. What chart is not straight down? What chart is not straight down in a bear market? Unfortunately, 95, 99% of crypto is down. So it is what it is. All crypto projects get affected in the bear market. The sooner you understand this, the better. So I'm up 135% already on Phantom. Absolutely phenomenal. What about Solana? What about Zilliqa? Zilliqa also, we got Zilliqa, insane L1 project. I think this one could be, yeah, this one's already popping. This one's already popping. We did talk about this on a video a few days ago as well. Looking very bullish, higher lows. We got the first wave. They're all about to pop, guys. If you haven't been jumping to longs the last few days, there's only one long position that I am in negative right now, which is Algorand. We can take a look at that one as well in just 1 minute. But overall, it's looking bullish, guys. It's looking bullish. Don't get too greedy. Make sure, we're looking for this, guys. We're looking right for the third wave attempt here. Zilliqa, yeah, it's looking good. The extension of the third wave can be explosive to the 0.056 cents, okay? Very, very possible to get those pops in the next coming days. Be cautious, be good with risk management. What else? Zilliqa's doing good. Yeah. Right. Cake. Let's take a look at Cake. GRT, is that the graph? GRT. It is about to pop, I gotta say. It is about, and this one did really good. Yeah, this one could get a nice third wave projected move. We're aiming at least for the 1-to-1, so 28 cents. Bullish scenario would be 40 cents, almost hitting 40 cents. That's almost doubling in price. GRT is another one about to pop here. All of these tokens can be traded on Bybit, guys. All of the tokens that I'm mentioning in today's live stream can be traded on Bybit. Theta US dollar, Near Protocol, VeChain, all of these tokens can be traded on Bybit. Another way to support the channel, this, and another way for you to change to the best exchange for crypto trading, which I think it is for the last over 3 years, is Bybit. And you get an insane bonus, all right? I'm affiliated to them, but I am, very much happy with their platform because it's the one I'm using for my trading. $30,000 worth of bonus. Another way to support the channel. Another way for you to hop in the best exchange for crypto, in my personal opinion. So, yeah, not GRT, just about to get that pop as well. This is, if you do not think that this is bullet, if you want to short this crypto right over here, I think you're off your mind. I think it's dangerous. I think, it's just like wanting to short, XRD at, just before this rise, right? A lot of these cryptos they're at this stage, okay? A lot of them are at this stage over here. Would you be willing to short this right over here? Of course, after seeing this chart, you wouldn't. So when you take a look at this one, such as GRT, do you feel confident in shorting right over here? Would you place a short right there? I don't think so. I don't think so, So, yeah, it's all about being safe, guys. This could turn around tomorrow. We might have a massive Black Swan event, everything got down, this is a possibility. For the moment, on altcoins, longing is in our favor. No financial advice, but it is what it is. The longs are in our favor for the last few days. There will be a moment that it won't. Once this starts popping and a lot of them start popping, I'm going to say, hey, you know, I'm out. I'm out. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. Need to do some stuff. Check out the Discord if you want. Okay, we got the Discord community where I do daily posts on Bitcoin mainly, and we got an insane community already there. We were very much aware of this level bouncing on Bitcoin, guys. The $29,200 range. Very much expecting that bounce. Mentioned on the community yesterday. Thank you guys for joining. Altcoins, you know, popping in a few long trades on altcoins. No trades on Bitcoin, which is strange because 90% of my trading is on Bitcoin, guys. Hey, thank you very much, everyone, for joining. We got Cake. Let's take a quick look at Cake here for Aditya. What's going on with Cake? I'm not a huge fan of Binance Smart Chain and Binance tokens, but yeah, Cake, you could say that this one's also is about to pop. But yeah, I'm not a fan of BNB or Binance Smart Chain. You could arguably discuss it is kind of creating this kind of symmetrical triangle. It's at the support level. You could have really nice tight invalidation points if you're trading Cake here. Just accept this could be a nice epic swing long position. So it's all about risk management, right? You're looking for something like this, right, when you're trading this. You don't want to be too emotional with your stop, and you're looking for these highs at least to be hit, right? Let's keep it conservative. You're looking at least for these highs to be hit, and you're potentially going to have a nice projected move up. But yeah, at least for these highs. Have invalidation points, have good risk management. Don't risk huge amount when you swing trade, right? Swing trading is not the same as the aggressive day trading, right? Guys, thank you very much. How do you join the Discord, please? The Discord, the link is down below in the description, right? You got that Legends community page right over here. Once you click on that, this will take you here. You got a coupon code to get you 35% discount of that monthly subscription, okay? The coupon is final 35 offer. It is down below in the description, right? Final 35 offer. All the info for the exchanges, for Kasta, for this, is down below in the description, okay? Daily updates provided there on the Discord. Thank you, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe trading.